What's going on YouTube? Modeling Up back at you. So as you can see, worked tonight and got all the decals onto the car. So I'm going to let these dry for probably a day or two, just to make sure that they are all dry and firmly in place. So used a small Excel knife here. Have a old hand grip on it, but swivel end on that, extra sharp point. So use that to cut the panel lines of the door. Same with the fuel cell opening, and also cut out the clear film that went around the door handles, just so that that didn't interfere with that gold color when I put the next coat on and things like that. So yeah, here I got the other side as well, so you can see that. Went ahead and did not do the front fender wells. I tried it. The back ones didn't really fit great, but they look well enough that, you know, it fits in with the car. Front ones just looked way off. So don't like how those came out, but other than that, I mean, for, you know, what, let's see if I can find a date real quick here. So from 2003, so 20-year-old decals, these actually were, you know, great. No problems whatsoever with any of them. Also, I do have to admit, I like how the gold actually ended up matching very close to the gold that I used. So I also have the hood here as well. So that should be ready to go to the next step. I also have the top pretty well finished up. I'm gonna very carefully mask off around there and just hit that with just a tiniest little bit of a dull coat or a flat coat, just to pull back a little bit of the shine, just to get rid of the shine, I should say, off of the decal itself, just so that it'll blend in a little bit nicer. So yeah, the other bit of decal work that I got done tonight, instead of putting the decal on the outside of the glass, I put it on the inside, so it is on the inside now. When I go through to do the tinting with the spaz-stix tint color, that I think should make this pop even more, since it'll be a black backing for that gold. Also did a similar thing on the front windshield, so went ahead and got that put on the back side, so that when I put the tint line along the top, hopefully it'll really make it look great. Hopefully. If not, I'm gonna have to probably source another window or something like that, but I think it'll turn out well. So yeah, like I said, tonight was primarily getting that on so I could just keep moving on with the paint work. Again, next step's gonna be gold to green. Just getting that on. I'm gonna try to mist it on a lot lighter than what I did on the underside. Not that I don't like the way that the base came out, or the chassis came out, but just kind of want it to look a little bit more different for sure, and things like that. So, or a little bit different from the base. So yeah, like I said, everything went smooth that way. So looking forward to the next step, and that way we can just keep pressing on and get this thing into clear and under the, you know, get those decals under that clear coat. So again, if you have any questions, comments, definitely post them down below. Otherwise, I will catch you in the next one. Peace.